Good morning, people. What's going on? This is your Freddy, your host for Gajin Garage. Back in the garage. Today is 9 o'clock in the morning. I didn't win the lotto. Damn it, I didn't win the lotto. I got $10 though, guys. Good luck if you guys did. Well, before we do anything else, before you even talk about cars today, you know what I'm about to tell you. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and share the video. But everything that I put on, you guys can see it first. I want to say hello to a couple people. First was I got somebody hit me up on YouTube last night. 10 Jet Civic, Southwest Florida. You want to make a video with me? Sorry. You want to do something together? That's fine. Hit me up on Facebook, Gajin Garage at Facebook. Hit me up. Send me a message. We can do something. We are in Southwest Florida. If you guys don't know, we're in Cape Coral, Florida. Beautiful Cape Coral, like a lot of people sell them. But I want to say thank you to you all. My buddy always come through for me. He came in and cleaned up the whole shop. They look amazing. Thank you, y'all. Gracias, bro, de Cora. And I hope to see him today, because I know he always tell him that I come into the shop. He always come through, always come and chill around, and you know, he show up. But today, what I'm gonna do, well, I'm gonna clean the CRX. Nothing else to do. I gotta buy a computer or a dashboard, the S2000 cluster, because my cluster doesn't work. But besides that, the car starts, got lower. It was amazing. So, Carlos, I got a couple projects here, like I said. First project I got here is the S2. I was checking engine light came on yesterday when we were moving it, the last video. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna check the check engine light on it. Carlos brought me his, as you can see right there, his cluster for the radio and AC. I'm gonna put that on. I'm gonna work on this, check why the check engine light is on, and also if I have time, I'm gonna put this on the other side, put everything back on like it's supposed to. The knot was, I think it's that knot right there. It goes to that, hopefully. Yeah, that's the one. I just missing the, oh shit, I'm missing the gear. Pretend to keep them there. Oops. Well, I'll find out. But besides that, I gotta move shit around. I gotta move that motor from there, put it over there. I'm gonna put the cameras to charge right now. I'm gonna move that motor. I wanna finish cleaning this up. Y'all, like I said, y'all did a good job yesterday. Thank you. I gotta move my table and clean all this stand. Look what I got here. If you're an EF fan lover, I know you're gonna love this. Look at that. What? Believe it or not, I had these for almost a year now. I haven't put them on, more than a year. I haven't put them on because I never had the CRX in that level that I got on now. Now that I have the CRX, the only thing I have to do is finish it up, but do some things and clean it up and put everything back. Like the back cover, I got it here. Get the vacuum cleaner, vacuum all that, glue everything back together. Same one over there, you know what I mean? Clean the dashboard and everything. So, and like I said, I got everything. Let me see if I can put the camera here. All this back, I got it here. Clean it up. It's right here. So, I'm gonna put that, put the glove compartment back on. And if you guys need anything, I know my little shop is kind of mess. But if you guys need anything, I got some couple parts here laying around. I got parts everywhere, man. Hey guys, it's about 11 o'clock. I put the camera to get charged. I'm gonna be working on putting back the window on the S2000, make sure everything works. Then after that, I'm gonna start working on the radiator, hoses. These are the windows that we're gonna put. I think I'm gonna put that one. I believe the car, yeah, that's the one that came out of the car. So I'm putting that one in. I got this badass EF mats for my TRX right there. A little bit of walk around the shop, clean it up. Everything's clean. Just to walk around. Yeah, I got more parts over there I gotta clean and put over. But issue with the S2. As you can see, the harness of this is perfect. So I'm thinking, I don't like to sink a lot. Take the whole harness out of here, place the door with it. Reason why is this, the one over there cut right here. I don't like cut harnesses. I really hate when people fucking cut harness. I'm sorry to curse, but why you cut a harness? You know? So what I'm thinking to do, I'm gonna pull this one out, follow it, pull it right here, pull it right here, follow it through. Here, disconnect this one. And for the power mirror, disconnect that. And then pull everything out through here. I'm gonna do it the same over there. Because as you can see, right there, they cut it. So I really don't like that idea that they cut a harness on. I really don't like the idea that they cut the harness. Because, you know, factory stuff is better. Please, if you're working on a vehicle and your car got harness cut up, bro, go to the junkyard, find another car, and put the OEM shit back on. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna take the time. I'm gonna take this harness off all the way through. I'm gonna pull it out of here. Again, doing shit I ain't supposed to be doing.
Good evening, passengers, and welcome aboard Flight 808, destination Baseland. Your pilot today will be DJ Laz, and our approximate flight time is 4 minutes and 7 seconds. We will be flying at an amplitude of 20,000 decibels and ask that your safety belts be securely fastened at all times. your seat backs and tray tables securely locked in their upright position. In the unlikely event that the 18s in your seat blow, the overhead compartment will open and is equipped with 4 Fosgate 12s. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your journey into bass.
Bass. Bass. Bass. Bass. Bass. This is the journey into 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 bass.
Climb aboard, let me take you for a ride. Buckle up when you come inside, cause this here beat is jamming. And I got your party slamming, with a hype them sound that's kicking. The kind of bass that gets all the girls tricking. In the club or on the streets, it's definitely something that'll move your feet. So prepare yourself for the showdown, cause I'm coming from Miami and it's bass town. So get ready, get set, turn it up. I got something for the back of the trunk. Take a journey, let's do it. And I know you'll get into it. Come on, there's no time to waste. It's DJ Labs on a journey through bass.
This is the journey into bass. This is the journey into bass. This is the journey into bass. This is the journey into bass. This is a journey into bass. This is a journey into bass.
T-10 on a countdown. Let's blast off with this bass sound. It's a one-man show, get ready, cause I'm here to rock you steady. Throughout the day and into the night, I got something every bass head sure to like. So let's pump this thing up loud and watch me move the crowd.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, like I told you, I like to keep everything on OEM. Check this out, the window's up. What? The window's up over here. And operational. So, if you want to close the S2000 when I'm in here, the window goes up and down. Let me see something. Oh yeah, it's all working perfectly OEM like I like it. On top of that, radio works. So everything pretty much works on the S2. Even runs like shit. I think he's out of battery, out of gas. Yep, he's out of gas. He's out of gas. But windows work, everything works. I'm gonna put the top down, leave it like that so I can work around him. So, one down, another one to go. So, I love my, I missed the converter with the S2, believe it or not, but my hardtop went down. So, I drive mine with a hardtop. But, I'm going to put the fender back on, then I'm going to bring the S2000 in real quick. I want to do something to it real quick, and I'll bring it back out. Then I'm going to take a lunch, and then I'm going to do the CRX. I'm going to clean it up, put the little brand new carpet that I got sitting over there somewhere, and hopefully that'll be the end of the day. But I keep you in post, keep here, checking it out, like. Fernando, hope you like what I did to your car, and hopefully you bring some gas so I can put it on the car so I can run it faster. All right, brothers. All right, guys, I put the S2000 back up and ready to go. Everything works so far. What I've done to this car, and he gets here, I fixed a quarter panel. I fixed this side right here. I weld a new side. We put a new front end, completely from Japan. Completely from Japan. We put the whole front end. We're gonna paint it now. If you watch previous videos, this car had nothing on it, no front end. The door was done right here. We put a new door in it. We saw that trip that we went to Orlando, road trip to Orlando. That's where we got that part. Car's pretty nice in shape. And that's mine right there. That's my S2000 right here. If you're in the area, you've seen this car a lot. I drive it every day. I got my hardtop, oil carbon fiber hardtop. Very dirty right now. About to paint the car soon, not today. But right now I got the hood open because I want to work on some stuff under the car. But this is my life right here, bro. This is my hobby. It's a beautiful hobby, expensive hobby. But when you can create beautiful things and bring them to life, when people diss them out and throw them out and they didn't want to even deal with it, and guys like me comes over and build a car, it's an amazing feeling when you can drive them on the street and people look at it like, damn, that used to be my car. Sample that guy back there. I used to be a mission and a half and I got it running. Let me see what else I get myself in trouble.